Okay, so I'm gonna make 2 more bows and I'm just gonna zoom in on it where you can see it a little better. So I'm gonna start out, I started with the plaid and I'm making a 12-inch tail. Just gonna pinch that up, give it a twist, drop it down in the Easy Bow Maker, pull that tail down out of the way, and I'm gonna make a 7-inch loop. Gather that up, drop it down in the bow maker. Now this particular ribbon doesn't have a right and a wrong side, but I'm treating it as it is anyway. So I'm going to make 4 loops out of this first ribbon. Twisting each time and bringing the right side up. And then I'm going to end off that, make a 12-inch tail and end that off. And then I'm going to do the cream. Uh-oh, Carrie, is it still on? Carrie? Was it still on? I don't think so. Measuring my tails, and a 12-inch tail, pinch that up, drop it right in the slot. Then I'm making a 7-inch loop. Twist, and there again, this particular ribbon doesn't really have to be twisted, but I'm twisting it. And on this one, I'm just doing 2 loops and making my 12-inch tail. Okay, this next ribbon was the narrow ribbon, and making a 12-inch tail. Now it does have a right and a wrong side, so I have to twist, get that loop up. Let's see, and on that one I started making the loops about a 1/2 inch smaller. Twist and get that right side of your ribbon up each time. Then end that off with a 12-inch tail. Oh my goodness, I meant to I shorted myself a loop. Okay, well that's okay, it won't show. But I can make 1 more loop. That'll just give me a little extra tail, that's okay. I need it on this side. Well, that's what happens when you're making bows. Okay, so now I got 4 loops. I just got an extra tail, extra couple of tails there. That's okay. Okay. All right, now next I'm going to do my daisy ribbon. And I'll do my 12-inch tail, chevron the end. You can do your ends at this point, or you can do them when you're done. It doesn't really matter. Drop that down in the bow maker. And this one is going to be the same size loop as the 1.5 inch, which was just about 1/2 inch or so smaller than the original. My table is not level, and that's why my bow maker keeps slipping around. I'm going to do 4 loops of the daisy, twist, get the right side up, okay, and now I'm ready to end that off. Now next, I'm going to take my next 1.5 inch ribbon, and I'm just going to make 1 loop, which is going to be my center loop. So measure my tail, pinch it up, drop it down in there, and a twist. Just make a smallish loop, just a couple of inches. Go back to the center, and then cut that tail off. I need another pipe cleaner.
What color? Green? Brown?
A pipe cleaner and a zip tie. Now that last loop is just 1 loop, and it's going to be my center loop that's going to cover up my mechanics. So I want to press that stack down as tight as I can get it, and ease my fingers under the stack of the ribbon. You want to be careful when you take it off. I have taken it off, jump out of your hand. I'm going to take a chenille stem,
So
zip tie, and go right over the center. Bring that to the back. Put it on backwards. Get the zip tie started. I'm just gonna get it started. I'm not gonna pull it tight yet. And then I'm gonna slide a chenille stem under that. And then I'm gonna pull it tight. Get that off of that. And then just take that chenille stem and twist, and then you've got your chenille stem to attach your bow. And then I'm going to fluff out the bow. I'm just going to lay that down and fluff out all the loops. You can start from the bottom. You can pull 1 to the top and 1 to the bottom. And we're just going to lay that last loop over the center to cover up the mechanics. Okay. Make sure all your ribbon tails are facing forward. And you can trim them at this point if you need to. But there's our finished bow.